Hi, and welcome to this episode of TileTV. I'm Mark Heinlein, Training Director of the National Tile Contractors Association. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about movement joints, expansion joints, control joints, perimeter joints, soft joints, all those very important joints that must be specified, designed, and installed in every tile installation. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of details about these types of joints because in reality, it's quite complicated how to properly specify, design, and install these joints. I'll tell you this, they must be in every tile installation and they must be properly designed by the appropriate person, such as the system specifier or design engineer. Where do we find information about movement joints? Well, movement joints are required by the American National Standards Institute in ANSI A108. ANSI A108 requires movement joints, expansion joints, control joints, soft joints in all of our tile installations, and it gives us some details where they should go and what type of material they should be constructed with. More information is found in the Tile Council of North America Handbook, the TCNA Handbook for installation of ceramic, glass, and stone tile. It has a method numbered EJ171, and EJ171 is the descriptive information for specifying, designing, and installing movement joints. It has many details, including some math, to figure out where all of these movement joints go, how wide they should be, how deep they should be, where they should be placed in what application, and they need to be specified, designed, and engineered by the professional who is designing the project. Another source of information on movement joints is the NTCA Reference Manual. This document is created by the NTCA's Technical Committee. The Technical Committee is a large group of highly experienced tile industry professionals from across all branches of professions within the industry. There's a section in the NTCA Reference Manual that gives us more information for installing, designing, and properly placing movement joints in every tile installation. I can tell you this, that I know a number of highly regarded tile industry consultants across the United States. When I speak with them, I ask them, what is the most frequent failure in a tile installation that you see? And without skipping a beat, nearly every one of them tells me the lack of properly designed and installed movement joints in a tile system is a leading cause for failures in tile installations. Movement joints are very important. They are required by the industry standards. Much information is given us by the industry standards for designing these movement joint applications, and our technical committee at NTCA gives us more information yet. So we're not lacking for information or direction or guidance or reference material. The only thing we're lacking is us creating our knowledge base, doing the work, and making sure we do the job right. So thanks for listening. Make sure to install movement joints in every situation, and make sure if you're designing a specification to create that specification and provide the documents to the tile contractor they need to know where those joints should go and what they should be made of. Thanks for watching this TileTV, and we'll see you next time.